What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. This is a video so many of you have been waiting for, and I purposely made you wait so that it would build anticipation and you'd be forced to click on this video when you saw the title and watch it. So today we're going to go over, this is only going to take like 5 minutes, guys. We're going to talk about the Harley Davidson supercharged pickup truck because so many of you want to know what happened to it. We're going to talk about the 93 Chevy Caprice that sold and how much we made or how much we lost on it. And I got news for you. The 2000 GMC Sonoma 4x4, yeah, it sold, or that thing's gone. So these are three cars that are gone. I want to talk about how much money we made or how much money we lost on. Now, the first one I'm going to tell you about straight up is the 2003 supercharged Harley Davidson 150th anniversary edition. Long gone, guys. I sold that probably 2 months ago. I sold it for $9,000. Now, I never went through and figured out how much I had into it. Obviously, we took a loss on it, probably around $3,000. The guy that bought it, his name was Tim. If you're watching the video, Tim, I hope you're still enjoying the truck. I think he knows he got a really good deal on it because I put a lot of money into that thing and obviously lost somewhere around, I'm just guesstimating, but around $3,000 loss on that. Now, the video content that these cars brings always offsets the money that I lose on the car. So I want to point that out first and foremost. I want you guys to understand, I think most of you do, but there are a few people that come back and some people I just don't think they understand exactly how this works and they get really upset about it. So before you go getting all upset about these potential losses that we're about to go over, please do understand that the YouTube content far outweighs the losses, okay? So we're not actually losing money on the cars, which is fine, but we're making up that loss in video content revenue. So starting off, 93 Chevy Caprice. Let me open up my file here. I don't know if you can see, but I got papers everywhere. Lots of receipts. This is my filing system. You guys are going to die over this. We had invested in that $5,792.45. That car was like a $375 car. And we put 6 G's into it. Okay, so $5,792.45. We sold it for $2,800. $2,800. That is a loss of $2,992.45. So we lost $2,992.45. Now here's the thing. When I did these numbers, this was when I first sold the Caprice, so I don't have an update for you, but when we sold the Caprice, we lost $3,000. Now, at the time of selling the Caprice, I had 8 videos on the Caprice. Those videos, like I said, at the time of the sale, had brought in $2,938.32. So we lost $2,992, and we had made back $2,938. So we are at the time we sold the Caprice, the day it sold, the video content that I had out on it has basically broke us even. So at least it's not a loss. There was no money, what, $10, $12 lost at that time. By now, since it's been several weeks since then, we have definitely made that money up. And on top of that, we sold the rims and tires to the guy that bought the Caprice, the original ones. He wanted the originals, and I think he paid like $200, $250 for those. So we have definitely already started making a profit, not on the car sale. The sale of the car, we did lose money, but after selling the wheels and tires and after the YouTube revenue, we have already very easily cleared a decent profit on the Chevy Caprice. Now let's move into the GMC Sonoma, because this one I have not run the numbers on the YouTube revenue yet. I just didn't have time. Are you serious? Jeez. Okay. This one's a little harder pill to swallow, ladies and gentlemen. The 2000 GMC Sonoma 4x4 invested $5,032.46. We sold it for $29.95. So we basically sold it for $3,000. We had $5,000 in it, so we are short $2,037.46. Now, the Sonoma, we may not recoup the loss from YouTube revenue. that one may not happen because we didn't have but a few videos. At least with the Caprice, we had however many 7 or 8 videos on it to continuously bring in that additional revenue to cover the loss. On the Sonoma, we only had a few videos, so time will tell. Perhaps, you know, over the next few weeks to the next month, those videos will perform well enough to cover the loss, and I kind of expect that they will, but I wouldn't be surprised either if they didn't. So we'll probably break about even on the Sonoma by the time it's all done, but the Caprice, easy profit there. You know, it may not be a lot right now, but remember, these videos will continue to produce revenue for as long as people watch them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long, shorter than almost all of them. And I appreciate you guys watching and following along. And for those of you that understand how this works and you can appreciate the way we do things, I absolutely appreciate you. And for those of you that I guess don't get it and I can't explain it, that's not necessarily your fault. Perhaps it's my fault for not being able to explain how this YouTube revenue compensates for losses on these cars. I really don't know how else to explain it. So if I failed you in the ability to explain how this works, I truly am sorry about that. But please, I ask you, don't get hateful and crappy about these losses, because in reality, I very rarely ever lose any money after YouTube revenue on any of these cars. I enjoy making content for you guys. I enjoy taking cars that most people would not put this kind of money into, you know, and I enjoy doing little mods and doing things that normally you just wouldn't be able to do without YouTube revenue. With that said, I know a lot of you watch this channel because you want to see flips and you want to see profit. But there's also those of you that want to see old cars having cool stuff done to them. So I'm trying to cater to everybody. So please, all I can say is have patience. You know, if I've got a series on something that you're not agreeing with or you don't like right now, stay tuned. I'm sure I'm going to have something that you will. We have had several cars flip, like the 08 PT Cruiser, right? That car sold. And that car, goodness, that car sold for, was it $2,500 or $3,000? I don't remember, but I mean, we didn't have hardly anything into that PT Cruiser. It easily doubled the money before any YouTube revenue content, so that was a good flip. The GMC Envoy, or no, the Trailblazer was a good flip. I mean, I could go back and look up. We've done so many cars, it's hard for me to keep track. But if we go back, there have been several cars that we sold on here. We made good money. We made good flip money off of. So there are definitely flips on this channel, profitable flips. There's going to be a few duds because that's inevitable when you're in this game. You're gonna lose on a few. As long as you're making more than you lose, you're doing something right. So I will have quick flips. The Lexus RX 300. Should be going up for sale right now. That's one that I don't think we've got more than $1,500 tops into it, and that thing should sell for $3,000 to $3,500. So that one should double its money as well. So we do have cars that are good flips, but we also have cars that are just fun to make mods to, fun to just things to have fun with, put back on the road and make enjoyable for the next buyer. Even if we may lose a few bucks on the front end, we'll make it up from YouTube. And that is thanks to all of you that watch. So once again, thank you to all of you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, a thumbs down if you didn't. Follow me on Instagram, please, because you're going to see stuff on Instagram sometimes a week or two before you're ever going to see it here on YouTube, and that's Auto Auction Rebuilds. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. If you haven't copped yourself some of my new merchandise, dead as a doornail, go check that out as well. I'll have a link in the description. Stay safe out there, everybody, and until next time, I will catch you all very soon in the next one. Does that outro even make sense? Until next time, I will catch you very soon in the next one.
Throw one of those next out.
That kind of sounds dumb. I think my outro's dumb.
Redundant.
Peace! And that doesn't work either. I'm leaving. Goodbye.